Hello. This video will explain how to redeem your rewards points. Let's get started. From the fastpark.com homepage, in the upper right corner of your browser window, you will see the words Relax for Rewards Sign In. Move your mouse cursor over the sign in and click the link. This will display the Sign Into My Account screen. In the first field, enter your email address or unique username. In the second field, enter your password. You can choose to stay signed in by clicking the checkbox provided. Once your account information is entered, click the Sign In button to be taken to your account dashboard page. You are now signed in to your Relax for Rewards account. From your account dashboard, you can redeem your points by clicking the Redeem Points link provided, or scroll down slightly on the web page until you see the Redeem Points for Free Parking section. You will see several options for redeeming your points. You can redeem free parking certificates for 1 day, 3 days, and 1 week by using the plus or minus buttons provided. After you have entered the number of points you want to redeem and have read the Redeem Points terms and conditions next to the points required, click the Redeem button. You will receive free parking certificates for your redeemed points. You can click View to print or email the certificates. The certificates will be automatically emailed to the address on file. If you don't need the certificate now, you can access it later from the dashboard in the Redeem Points for Free Parking section under My Free Parking Certificates on the right. To use the certificates, scan the code at the time of your exit. If you don't want to print the certificate, you can pull the certificates up on your phone and scan your phone. And that is how to redeem your points. We are here to help. If you have questions or need assistance, contact our Relax for Rewards representatives at 1-877-806-7275 or RFR team at thefastpark.com Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. Eastern Time.